you ready to kickstart your day with the ultimate breakfast for weight loss and wellness? We've got you covered with our morning power fuel. Here's why our breakfast is the perfect way to jumpstart your metabolism and fuel your body for the day ahead. Our recipe is packed with nutrient-rich ingredients that will keep you energized and satisfied while promoting weight loss and overall wellness. First, let's talk about our star ingredient, oats. These mighty grains are a fantastic source of fiber, which helps you feel full and satisfied for longer. Plus, oats are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support a healthy body. Next up, we have Greek yogurt. Not only is it creamy and delicious, but Greek yogurt is also loaded with protein. Protein is essential for building and repairing muscles, and it also helps to keep you full throughout the morning. Now let's add some healthy fats with a handful of nuts and seeds. These provide a dose of omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and support heart health. To sweeten things up naturally, we're adding some fresh berries. Berries are rich in antioxidants and vitamins, and they add a burst of delicious flavor to our breakfast. Finally, top it off with a drizzle of honey for a touch of natural sweetness. Honey is a healthier alternative to processed sugar and adds a delightful taste to your morning meal. So here's your morning power fuel. A nourishing blend of oats, Greek yogurt, nuts and seeds, fresh berries, and a drizzle of honey. Whip it all up and you're ready to conquer the day. Remember, a healthy breakfast sets the tone for the rest of your day. By choosing nutrient-dense, whole foods like our morning power fuel, you're giving your body the vitamins, minerals, and energy it needs to thrive. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes and wellness tips. Start your day off right with our morning power fuel and embrace a healthier, happier you. Don't forget to leave a comment down below saying I subscribe and I will reply to your comment. See you in the next video.